Alright, starting out training for Riad.
Hell yeah.
Mr. Patrick, aka Crispy Rick.
That's me.
Alright. Going up something. I forget the name. I'd rather jam. I'd rather jam. Whoop. Alright. Let's get something in so we don't send our belayer into panic. Yeah. Didn't want to step up on these rails without a piece in. They could break because this can get a lot of traffic.
Oh, this is a classic.
This one. That's good. That's real good. That's real good. I guess we should get something else in, because I would hit the ground. I fell right now. I don't know why I'm talking with an accent. Please excuse my shenanigans. Foot action. Where are the anchors? Go over there. Yeah, we probably go over there. If I step on this, that's not gonna break. That's not gonna break. far above my last piece now, but with 2 pieces in, this is probably not the super best idea. Alright. Yeah, that looks all kind of sus. Let's do some of this. And a little bit of one of these. Take. Dirt. I guess it's only like 40 feet maybe. 2 pieces for 40 feet is not the worst. And that's why I extend it. Otherwise the rope would be like around that crack and the rock would just chew it up. This one got a little hung up. Let's see what this looks like. Yeah, see, look at that. That's not a bad rope line.